We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson LiveWire in orange fuse. Super easy to ride, extremely light. All you have to do is twist the throttle and go, and it is a riot. It's so much fun. The acceleration is amazing. I've never ridden anything like it. So we've got dual disc braking in the front, so it stops on a dime. We also have ABS on this as well. And we've got those really nice Brembo braking system. Nice big turn signals on the front so everybody can see where you're going. One giant battery. There are passenger pegs on here as well as rider pegs. It's nice hugger going around the rear tire so you don't get everything kicked up onto your back, and an adjustable Showa rear shock. And this extremely comfortable Corbin seat, I really enjoyed it. And previous owner bought a tank bag. The charger is underneath it. So you just press this guy and it pops open, charger's in there. And really easy to take the bag off. It's just these two clips and it flips forward. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week. Come ride this thing, it will surprise you.